because it multiplies when you divide it. We, the students of class 4th P, are going to present our annual function on the topic importance of books.
Nothing can be started without the blessing of Almighty. So join hands, close your eyes for the ending prayer.
To allow in more light. I repeat my thought. Whenever you read a good book, somewhere in the world a door opens to allow in more light. Thank you. Have a for a group discussion. And you are standing here alone. Oh, sorry, with your friend.
I know you are teasing me, but it's okay. It's just because you don't know the pleasure a book can give.
Hey, you promised us to share more about the importance of books.
Today, some of my friends and myself will tell you about the importance of books.
Books are our lifelong friends. Books give plenty of joy to us.
When we read different books, we increase our vocabulary.
Books help in building our confidence. A well-read person can hold conversation with a group of people. Reading books increases our concentration power.
Books helps us to get relief of stress. Reading books give us great fun and make our life cheerful.
Books are the best form of entertainment. We should read novels, storybooks, magazines, and newspapers on regular basis.
Reading develops our thought, gives us endless knowledge and keep our mind active.
Remember, a book is a dream that you hold in your hands.
Children who are good readers tend to achieve more because they develop a better understanding.
Reading books help us in sharpening our memory.
Books are the storehouse of worldwide information.
Books take us into the world of imagination.
Books improve our reading, writing and speaking skills.
Now I came to know books give a soul to the universe, wings to imagination, and life to everything. Thank you. About books, they let you travel without moving your feet. It's time for an English drama on importance of books.
Our son is smart and brilliant boy. He is good at studies and sports both, but he does not like to develop the habit of reading.
Reading book is very important for the development of his thinking skills. Don't worry, we will do our best to help him develop the good habit of reading.
But how do we do it?
I have an idea.
Anuj's father shared his ideas with Anuj's mother.
Wow, let us follow this idea.
Anuj, we have a special gift for you on your birthday.
What is it, Dad? It's a wonderful aquarium with beautiful fish. I always wanted to be a pet, but now, finally I am going to keep fish. Thanks, Father. I promise to look after the fish.
After some days,
It's not an easy task to look after the fish. I know nothing about how to take care of fish. What food do they eat? Please help me, Mom. I too do not know anything about fish. Why don't you get the book on fish from your library? Please read it to know how to keep.
Oh, great! Everything I want to know about fish is written here. Mom was right. Books really have plenty of information.
After this incident, Anu's interest in reading has been developed.
Oh, mother, you know, my summer vacation will start from tomorrow. Are we going to Shimla or Nainital this time?
This time, let us go to a historical place. You have please read this book on historical places of India.
Yes, this time you will help us in deciding which historical place should we visit.
Fine, Dad.
Fine, Anuj. Oh, you are reading a book. Very nice.
Look, mother, I came to know about Agra. There are total 265 monuments, including one of the seven wonders of the world, Taj Mahal. It was built by Shah Jahan.
Wow, Anuj, you have chosen a wonderful place to visit.
Surely, we will go to Agra this time.
Thanks, Mom and Dad, to helping me to developing this wonderful habit of reading.
So my friends, with the help of book, Anuj was able to learn a lot about different historical places. So we all should read books to enhance our knowledge.
Books are our best friend. One who reads books never feel bored and lonely. Thank you.
Now, it's time for an English poem.
That sails the seas. Books are ships that sails the seas to the land of snow or jungle trees. And I am the captain, bold and free, who will decide which place we'll see. Come, let us sail the magic ship. Come, let us sail the magic ship. Books are trains in many lands, crossing hills or desert sands. And I am the engineer who guides the train on its exciting rides. Come, let us ride the magic train. Come, let us ride the magic train. Books are zoos that make a home for birds and bees not free to roam. Books are zoos that make a home for birds and bees not free to roam. And I am the keeper of the zoo. And I am the keeper of the zoo. And I chose the things to show to you. Come, let us visit in a zoo. Come, let us visit in a zoo. Thankful therapy that will make you calm down. Now it's time for an English song.
I am succeeding. I pick up a book and take a look. My mind just starts to grow. When I am reading, I feel so free and learning pages, spending ages with friends on my own. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. And read and read and love to read. Any type of books, any type of things. Study the picture, read over and find out what they mean. Any type of books, any type of things. Study the picture, read over and find out what they mean. And I am reading, I am succeeding. I pick up a book and take a look. My mind just starts to grow. When I am reading, when I am reading, when I am reading. Thank you. It's time for enjoying a classical dance by the girls of a class.
कन्हैया लाल घड़लो मारो भर दे रे कन्हैया लाल घड़लो मारो भर दे रे भर दे उठा दे बिना गाँव के तू मत जाने कान्हा बिना गाँव के बरसानो मारो घर चेरे बरसानो मारो घर चेरे कन्हैया लाल घड़लो मारो भर दे रे कन्हैया लाल घड़लो मारो भर दे रे घड़ले पे घड़लो कान्हा घड़ले पे झारी घड़ले पे घड़लो कान्हा घड़ले पे झारी भारी लगे रे अति भारी कन्हैया लाल घड़लो मारो भर दे रे कन्हैया लाल घड़लो मारो भर दे रे
मुरली की धुन सुन नीरत नरत गोपी साथी आता तत्त थे तत्त थे तारे तत्त थे तारे तत्त थे आ
कन्हैया लाल घड़लो मारो भर दे रे कन्हैया लाल घड़लो मारो भर दे रे भर दे उठा दे सर पे धर दे रे भर दे उठा दे सर पे धर दे रे कन्हैया लाल घड़लो मारो भर दे रे कन्हैया लाल घड़लो मारो भर दे रे
Dancing is one of them. Now it's time to enjoy group dance.
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम ये सोते भी है टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है
अरे क्या हुआ इतनी टेंशन में क्यों है?
एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं यार,
हाँ तो
इस बार भी टॉप करना है। 98% तो लाने ही है।
अरे डोंट वरी, एग्जाम्स भी अच्छे जाएंगे और हम टॉप भी कर लेंगे। थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाओ, मेहनत दिल लगा के की है ना तो उसका नतीजा भी अच्छा ही होगा। बस दिल पे हाथ रखो और बोलो ऑल इज वेल, ऑल इज वेल।
out of control auto को करके गोल auto को करके गोल सीटे पर जाके बोल life out of control auto को करके गोल auto को करके गोल सीटे पर जाके बोल मुर्गी आ जाने अंडे का क्या होगा लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा कमाल सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया ऑरेंज अरे भैया ऑरेंज अरे चाचू ऑरेंज अरे भैया ऑरेंज। इस दुनिया में ना तो कुछ मुश्किल होता है ना ही आसान होता है, सारा खेल मानने का है।
जो मानता है कि उसके लिए मुश्किल है तो उसके लिए मुश्किल है, और जो मान लेता है कि मेरे लिए आसान है तो उसके लिए सब आसान है।
तेरी वो रफ्तार हो, रुके से भी तू ना रुके, हासिल कर ऐसा शिखर, पर्वत की भी नजरें उठे, आशाएं उम्मीदें अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी।
अगर आपको जिंदगी में कुछ बनना है तो किताबों से दोस्ती करो, क्योंकि किताबें ही हमारी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त होती हैं।